Today, we take a closer look at one of the most talked-about new camper vans of the year, the SAIC Maxus RV Camper Van 2025. A modern motorhome designed to bring comfort, technology, and affordability together in one smart package. As the world of motorhomes continues to evolve, travelers are looking for vehicles that are easier to drive, more efficient, and better suited for both city life and long road trips. This is exactly where the Maxus RV steps in. Built on the Maxus Deliver 9 platform, this camper van comes from SAIC Motor, one of the world's largest automotive manufacturers. The Deliver 9 is already known in many countries as a strong and reliable commercial van, and now it has been transformed into a lifestyle vehicle built for adventure. From the outside, the design is clean and practical. The body shape is tall and boxy, maximizing interior space while keeping the overall length manageable. This makes the Maxus RV ideal for narrow city streets, parking areas, and mountain roads, places where larger motorhomes often struggle. Under the hood, the Maxus RV camper van is powered by a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine. This engine is designed to deliver a balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it suitable for long highway journeys as well as daily driving. With strong low-end torque, the vehicle feels confident even when fully loaded with gear and supplies. Another important advantage is its 3,500-kilogram gross vehicle weight, which means in many regions it can be driven with a standard driving license. This opens the door for more people to enter the campervan lifestyle without needing special permits. Now let's step inside, where the Maxus RV truly begins to shine. The interior is designed with a modern, minimalist approach, focusing on functionality and comfort. As you enter, you're welcomed by a bright and open living space. Large windows allow natural light to fill the cabin, creating an airy and relaxed atmosphere. The seating area features a comfortable dinette, perfect for dining, working, or simply relaxing. The front driver and passenger seats can swivel around, instantly transforming the cab area into part of the living space. This smart use of space makes the interior feel much larger than you might expect from a compact camper van. One of the most impressive features of the Maxus RV is its gas-free kitchen design. Instead of traditional gas burners, it uses a fully electric induction cooktop. This not only improves safety, but also makes cooking cleaner and more convenient. The kitchen also includes a compressor refrigerator, which is more efficient and reliable than older absorption fridges. With smart storage compartments, overhead cabinets, and well-planned countertop space, the kitchen is practical for everyday use on the road. Moving further inside, the sleeping area is designed to be comfortable and easy to use. Depending on the configuration, the bed can be fixed or convertible, providing a cozy resting space after a long day of travel. The mattress support and layout are designed with long-term travel in mind, not just short weekend trips. Power management is another area where the Maxus RV camper van stands out. The vehicle supports lithium battery systems, inverters, and optional solar panels, making it well-suited for off-grid camping. This allows travelers to stay powered up for lighting, cooking, charging devices, and more, even when parked far away from campsites. For driving comfort and safety, the Maxus RV is equipped with modern driver assistance features. Systems like cruise control and crosswind assist help reduce fatigue during long drives, especially on highways and windy roads. These features make the driving experience smoother and more confident, even for those new to camper vans. One of the key goals of the SAIC Maxus RV is to offer excellent value for money. Compared to many European camper vans, which can be very expensive, the Maxus RV aims to provide similar functionality at a more accessible price point. This makes it an attractive option for first-time buyers, young travelers, and families looking to start their motorhome journey. The Maxus RV camper van was officially showcased at major European RV exhibitions, signaling SAIC's serious entry into the global camper market. With growing interest in compact and efficient motorhomes, This vehicle arrives at exactly the right time. In everyday use, the Maxus RV is designed to be more than just a holiday vehicle. Its size and drivability allow it to function as a daily driver when needed, while still offering the comfort of a mobile home whenever adventure calls. In conclusion, the SAIC Maxus RV Camper Van 2025 represents a new generation of camper vans, practical, modern, and designed for real-world travel. It combines reliable engineering, smart interior design, and future-focused technology into a package that's easy to live with and enjoyable to drive. For anyone dreaming of open roads, quiet campsites, and the freedom to travel on their own terms, the Maxus RV offers a compelling new option. SAIC Maxus RV Camper Van 2025, a smarter way to explore the world.